Hey guys, back at you with another video from the Gaming Kings 497 here, and today we have another video for you guys that I hope you guys do enjoy. Another GoPro. I already recorded a couple of clips, I'll throw them in now, but hope you guys do enjoy. Guys, I normally find this as a very good spot. Sometimes you have to watch out for security or campus people or whatever, but it's pretty much a good spot, honestly, half the time. As of right now, because of COVID-19, you really don't have to worry about security. Well, I don't see any, at least. I see myself enjoying the stairs quite a bit. Oh, whole GoPro came flying down. Or slamming down because it wasn't tight enough. But let's try this again. Oh. Alright guys, I'm literally just out here because I'm freaking tired. I've done multiple locations, I've done multiple tricks, and now I'm freaking tired as hell. I'm just chilling right here. Pretty sick. But definitely will pick up the camera when something interesting is happening and when I'm back on the bike, because right now I'm just chilling. I'm trying to get relaxed to try to get to the next trick. It's literally crazy because I'm riding more than I'm recording, but you guys don't see the full thing because I only record so much. I only record the highlights, the best parts of what you guys actually want to see, not boring stuff anymore. Go. Side two. Woo! Okay, let's go over here, bro. Hey, can we get up here today? That would be nice. If we can get up here today. Let's try. Another day, another win. It's all good, guys. Let's go there for the one time. Let's go up there for the one time, bro. Let's go up there for the one time. Woo. Guys, guy real quick. Try to post that real quick. That is crazy. Okay. I'll make sure I drop my shit. That's crazy. Alright guys. I'm going back down. I'll go up there for the one time. Oh, jeez. I was gonna take my bike up there, but I didn't feel like it. I feel like getting cut up this time. Oh. I literally did not feel like getting cut up this time because last time I tried taking my bike up there, tragic happened. I ended up getting cut because I ended up dropping the bike on my legs, but it's whatever. Hope you guys did enjoy that footage. I'll be throwing in a couple of more scenes and I'll be ending the video. But always remember to subscribe to German in Venice and no one else. We don't got no one else to shout out. Everyone else down the drain. But I hope you guys do enjoy the rest of this. Remember, subscribe to German in Venice. It's a few hours later, headed back home.